Hey everybody, Smoke Crate Man here today, and today, I'm just gonna give you guys a quick update on this Hoover convertible U4379 and the Vita bag. So obviously you can see there's no cord. There's the switch to turn on and off. The bag's not original, so I'm gonna take the bottom plate off and see what we're dealing with. My God, the bag's so full you can't even push the vacuum all the way down. I don't even know if I should touch this brush roll.
I wouldn't. I honestly feel bad for this machine. It has seen better days.
The thing keeps coming off the rubber, what do you call it, the rubber bumper? Yeah, like one part and another keeps coming off. Does this have suspension? I can't tell, but this thing's gonna need some serious repairing, so I'm gonna take it to the vacuum shop this Sunday. So I'll see what I can do. The belt looks like it's in good condition. Let me see, hold on. Okay, yeah, that's spinning the right way.
Let's check the bag, shall we?
I'm worried to check the bag, but here goes nothing. I can't even open the bag. It's like sealed. My gosh. Oh.
Poor cord.
Now let's see what we got to offer at the Vita back. I'm not gonna bring the power nozzle. I'm just gonna bring the canister. See what we're dealing with. I haven't used this in so long. I forgot how to open the thing. Oh, there you go. So, hold on. So, what kind of bag are we using? That says Vitavac. I'm gonna take this out, see how dirty it is. It actually doesn't smell bad. It actually smells good. Like there's air freshener in it or something. But I wonder if if the Electrolux back there, if the Electrolux back there can use the same bag to a Vitavac. I don't know. It just worries me how easily it opens up. Look, boom, and then you push it back. See, it doesn't come back out. Just worries me how flimsy this thing is. I don't think the power nozzle needs any work done, but I promise I'll get both of these machines, I wouldn't say working, but, like, do a little servicing on both of these machines. So,
I like this machine, Scott. Let's check up on the Hoover convertible again.
I need to put a bag on here. I don't even know how to put a bag on the Excalibur. Um, but this machine, it's gonna need some work. I'll take it out of the room one more time, see if we can find more detail that needs worked on.
Yep, that is worth $2 for the condition it's in.
You see there's some scratches right there. You can kind of feel it. There's like little nicks. Same as this side. I don't understand. Oh man, look at that. You can see there's like bumps right there. Unless that's just the way it made. It feels like what you call it, that type of metal, kind of like Reynolds wrap. I don't know. That's what it feels like. Let's see if the height adjustment works. Let's see. Yeah. Did it leave all that dirt? Oh my gosh. Frickin'. I was thinking of doing a video of destroying this, but I don't know.
That's a bad idea. Viewers will hate you.
Yeah, it may not be a good idea. A lot of people would unsubscribe to my YouTube channel. But let me know, or I'll let you guys know, if I should repair both of these machines. And yeah, hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.
Subscribe to Old Crankman for more content. Remember, less talking, more vacuuming. Bye y'all, have great day.